Caesars Pepperoni Crazy Puffs. Let's try these. So you get about 4 in the box, which they're pretty big, but I don't know. The price of it wouldn't be that much if there are only 4 of them. But let's try these. I've heard some great reviews on these, and I heard some not so great reviews. Heard some people like these, heard some people that don't like these. I don't know. I decided to get some of this garlic butter here to try these with and see if these are good with the garlic butter. I feel like these could be better. A little bit more softer. They're a little bit hard. I don't know if that's because they've been sitting in the car for a little bit, because I went to more places. But they could be a little bit softer. But I don't know if that's just because they just got cold or something. But I mean, they're okay. The only thing I don't really like about these is a bunch of seasoning on the top. I really don't get that. It kind of takes away from the other flavor of the food. I mean, look at how much seasoning's on the top of this. Like, that's just, I don't know, a little bit ridiculous for the seasoning. And another thing is the fact that these are loaded with grease as well. Makes them kind of unflavorful. I don't know. It makes it have a really odd flavor. That's why I'm drinking this. My lips are like drying up because there's so much salt and seasoning on this. These are okay. I definitely wouldn't get these again because you only get like a 4-pack. It's not worth the money. I would give these, honestly, a 3 out of 10. They're not my favorite Little Caesars item.